Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Peppa helping a scared George to swim. This video is all about being brave and having splashy fun with family. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go! And if you love drawing and fun stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you what happened in the story, so our drawing makes sense. Peppa and her family go to the swimming pool. Everyone is in their swimming costumes. Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Peppa, and little George. Daddy puts on armbands for George. Pfft, puff, puff. Now George looks very grown up. But guess what? It's George's first time at the pool. The water looks big and splashy. George feels a bit scared. He doesn't want to go in. Peppa and the grown-ups are kind and gentle. They say, try one foot. Oh no, still too scary. Try the other foot. Nope, maybe both feet at the same time? Good idea. Peppa cheers. Come on, George. Everyone is smiling. They don't push, they don't rush, they just help. That's the sweet part I loved. It's like a little hug in water. This is the moment our drawing is inspired by. Peppa helping George feel brave with his floaty armbands and a tiny splash. Then Rebecca Rabbit and her little brother Richard come along. Richard has a float. He practices kicking. Kick, kick, kick. Peppa asks George if he wants to try kicking too. George gives it a go. Little kicks, tiny splashes. The big kids say, we don't splash, but the babies are so excited. It's all giggles at the pool. Now here comes the funny part. Guess what happens when Richard drops his toy watering can into the pool? Oh no, it sinks down, down, down. Mummy Rabbit can't reach it. Mummy Pig can't swim underwater. Who will save the day? Daddy Pig says, please hold my glasses. He takes a big breath and, bloop, goes under the water. Will he get it? Will he pop up like a silly fish? What do you think Daddy Pig will do next? If you think that's super brave and super funny, give this video a big like. But that's not all. Later, they go to a big water park with Miss Rabbit. There are bubbles that tickle your toes, a tipping bucket that dumps water on your head, and slides. Tiny slides and one ginormous slide that goes way, way up. Peppa and George try the tiny slide. Ready, steady, go. Whee! It's so fun! Daddy Pig wants a turn too, but he can't wear his glasses on the slides. Uh-oh, without glasses, Daddy can't see very well. He means to only use the tiny slide, but the steps seem to go on forever. Is he on the right slide? Is he on the super tall one? He can't even hear the others calling because he's so high up. You won't believe it when Daddy sits down and zooms away. Is it the tiny slide or the ginormous slide? Hold on to your floaties. All these silly splashes make everyone laugh, even George. The more they play, the braver George feels. It's not so scary when your family is cheering and your sister is right beside you. Okay friends, here's what really happened and how it led to our drawing moment. Daddy Pig did save the watering can. Yay, Daddy! Everyone cheered, and later when Daddy promised not to splash, well, let's just say his special drying trick got everyone wet. Oops! Silly Daddy! At the water park, Daddy ended up on the giant slide by mistake. Whoosh! He zoomed down like a rocket and loved it. That big whoa moment made everyone giggle. George watched Peppa and Richard kick, kick, kick with their floats. He tried both feet at once. He made little splashes. He smiled. He wasn't so scared anymore. With armbands on and Peppa by his side, he learned that water can be fun, safe, and full of giggles. And that's the story of how this drawing happened. Peppa gently holding George at the pool, cheering him on as he learns to kick and float. A brave little brother, a loving big sister, and a happy splash, perfect for our art today. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will make you smile big. Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew Peppa helping George to swim, and we learned that being brave is easier with family and friends beside you. And if you love fun stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you next time, friends! Bye!